Hello, students. Welcome to the 16th session of Quantitative Decision Tools. In this session, we shall try to understand the calculation part of median. So, the structure of the session will be starting from learning objectives, followed by session outcomes, calculation of median, summary, and references. So, the objective of this session is to understand the calculation of median, and the session outcome would be the student shall be able to understand how exactly the median is calculated. So again, in this median calculation, median is calculated under ungrouped data, grouped data non-continuous, and grouped data continuous. So in ungrouped data or individual observations, it is divided as with odd observations and even observations. When the number of observations are odd, how median is calculated, and the number of observations are even, how exactly the median is calculated. So in odd observations, let us understand this illustration 1. The following are the marks scored by 7 students. Find out the median marks. So the 7 student marks are given, and we are supposed to calculate the median mark. So going to the solution, first I need to arrange the data in ascending order. So here, either in ascending or in descending order, the data has to be arranged. But I have arranged the data in the ascending order. The marks are arranged in the ascending order. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. That is size of 7 plus 1 by 2th item. 7 plus n is number of observations. So there are 7 student marks. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2 is 4th item. So 4th item, if I go to the series, the 4th item it is written in bold in the table, that is 45. So median is equal to 45. Now if the series has even observations, how median is calculated? So we shall observe this illustration 2. The following are the marks scored by 8 students. So here it is an even observations. Find the median mark. So the 8 student marks are given. So again, I'll arrange it in the ascending. Either you can arrange in ascending or descending. Here I've arranged it in ascending order. So once I arrange, I'll apply the formula, that is m is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. So n is number of observation. Here it is 8. 8 plus 1 by 2th item. So 9 by 2th item, m is equal to 4.5. So 4.5th item, how to calculate 4.5th item? So for that, I need to add the 4th item and 5th item and divide it by 2. So the 4th item is 58, 5th item is 61. So I'll take a summation of this divided by 2. So 119 divided by 2, I'll get 59.5. Median is equal to 59.5. In grouped data non-continuous, that is in discrete series, here x and f will be given. Calculate median for the following. Size of the shoes will be taken as x, and the number of shoes sold will be taken as f, that is frequency. So I put it in x and f column, and in the third column I am supposed to calculate cumulative frequency. How to cumulate frequencies? So I go on adding the frequencies. So in the first cumulative frequency, the first frequency will be the first cumulative frequency itself. So it is taken as 10. Next I add 10 and 16, I get 26. Next for the 26 I add 28, I will get 54. So accumulated frequency is calculated. Then I'll apply the formula. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. So n here refers to the summation of frequency, that is 173 plus 1 by 2th item. So 174 divided by 2th item. 174 divided by 2, I get 87th item. So now I'll try to identify where this 87 falls. So 87 lies in between 69 and 99 in cumulative frequency. So I go for 69 and 99 in between cumulative frequency. In these between these two cumulative frequencies, m87 is there. So the corresponding x value, if I take, in between 69 and 99, the next x value, that is 7, is considered as median. Coming to grouped data continuous, calculate median for the following data. Here marks is given in the form of class interval and the frequency, that is number of students are given. Now what I do is I calculate again cumulative frequency and apply the formula. But here it is not n plus 1 by 2, it is just n by 2th item. So n refers to the summation of frequency, that is 100 by 2th item, m is equal to 50. So now I will spot this 50 in the cumulative frequency. It will be between 26 and 70, which is in bolds in column number 3. So if I take in between this, the next class interval will be 40 to 55. So 50 comes in between 26 and 70 in class interval, sorry, in cumulative frequency. So corresponding class is 40 to 55. Then I'll apply the formula L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into I. L1 refers to the lower limit of the median class, that is 40, plus n by 2 means median, that is m, 50, minus class cumulative frequency is the previous cumulative frequency of median class, that is if median class is 40 to 50, the previous cumulative frequency is 26, minus 26 divided by frequency is the frequency of median class, that is 40 to 55, frequency is 44, into I refers to class interval, that is 15. So if I simplify, I'll get median as 48.18. So if I'd like to summarize, median is a value that divides the series into two equal parts, where one part will be greater than the median and the other part will be lesser than the median. So these are the references for this session. Thank you.